Convicted murderer Lori Vallow Daybell felt the wrath of victims over and over again today in a packed courtroom as a judge issued 2 life sentences for 2 murder conspiracy cases here in Arizona. Those sentences are on top of the life sentences she received in Idaho. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton was in court for the final chapter.
Some of these victims and their families have been waiting 6 years for justice in these cases, and there were some striking moments in the courtroom, from tearful and painful victim impact statements to Lori Vallow Daybell's disturbing demeanor.
Lori, right in prison.
Prison is exactly where Lori Vallow Daybell is going.
You are a manipulator, a parasite, and a coward.
She spent the morning listening to person after person
Murderess!
describe how she upended their lives.
I trusted you!
Back in 2023, Lori Vallow Daybell was sentenced to life in prison in Idaho for killing her children, Tylee and JJ, and for her role in the death of Tammy Daybell, her husband Chad Daybell's first wife. Now she's sentenced to life in prison in Arizona for conspiring to kill her former husband, Charles Vallow, who died in 2019, and another life sentence in Arizona for conspiring to kill her niece's ex-husband, Brandon Boudreaux, who survived a shooting attempt.
I will always fear her for what she would try to do, again, to hurt my family.
Brandon's new wife, Jenny.
He has survivor's guilt. He sometimes wondered why he survived and the others did not.
Lori Vallow Daybell's son, Colby Ryan, her only living child.
I believe that Lori Vallow herself is the family tragedy.
JJ Vallow's grandparents not only spoke for themselves.
You will never get anything out of me again in your life. You are nothing.
But his grandma, Kay Woodcock, read a letter written from JJ's perspective.
I should be 13 years old now, but I'm forever 7. The impact of my father's death was my murder.
As person after person shared their pain, the person who caused it just sat there. She didn't take her last chance to show remorse.
If I was accountable for these crimes, I would acknowledge it, and I would let you know how sorry I was.
The judge sending her off.
Eventually, the camera that you seek out so much, the media requests, will lessen over time and you'll fade into obscurity.
Into obscurity as her surviving victims go free.
After 6.5 years of her hell, we're done.
Next, Lori Vallow Daybell will be extradited from Arizona back to Idaho, where she will serve the rest of her natural life in prison. MCSO said they could not discuss details of the extradition. We're in the newsroom. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
Erica, thanks for your reporting on this. Still